Hi! I'm gonna be making a very special breakfast for my husband. I'm gonna be using Autumn Kitchen's brioche dough recipe. It's usually sourdough, but I'm using yeast this time because it's faster. Also, if you're really into sourdough like me, even though I'm a noob, she has really great recipes for sourdough, so you should check it out. So you can see in the video, I'm putting in the bread flour, sugar, instant yeast, salt, room temperature eggs, and the warm milk. Butter I'm gonna put in later because it makes it a little hard to mix if I put it in too early. I put it in once early before, and it was such a sticky mess. Brioche doughs are rich and high in fat compared to other breads to begin with, so it's going to be a little bit sticky, but when I put in the butter too early, it prevents the glutens from forming properly, thus becoming too sticky to begin with, and it's just better to add it on later, after you've had it mixing for a little bit. I put the full directions in the caption so you're not just reading blocks of text on the screen. I'm kneading this until it achieves window pane. I'm going to let it proof, and then I have to bake this in the cutest cat bread pan that I have. My friend gave me this, and I love it so much. It will be the cutest cat bread ever. So actually in between filming the dough, proofing, and it baking, I lost some footage because I had some memory card issues. So here's the next day. I assure you, you did not miss much, and this is actually the best part. Isn't it so cute? It came out of the pan really well. And I have this little contraption that I use to slice the bread evenly. I'm making French toast with these, so let's go with thicker slices. Oh, I know I said it a million times already, but they're so cute. Okay, I'm getting it together. I'm gonna be making the French toast mix now. It's really easy. I just use a few eggs, heavy cream, cinnamon, a little bit of maple syrup, do a little whisk, and I'm ready to coat my cat bread. I just dunk each side to make sure the entire surface area is coated with the egg mixture. I just slice the whole loaf because I'm gonna fry them all and then freeze the ones I'm not gonna eat right away. So that way, whenever I'm craving French toast, I can just pull them out and toast them up. Easy peasy. When I was recording the pan frying part, it was actually really early in the morning because I had to do laundry. And of course, midnight, one of our fur babies decided that today was the day that she did not want to eat her food unless I spoon fed her. So I'm at eye level on the floor with her, trying to make sure that she eats her food with a baby spoon. Oh, the things we do for our cats. And let me tell you what I'm doing to this egg right now. I don't remember where I saw this, but if you cut a boiled egg a certain way, you can make a little bunny. And it's so cute. So of course I had to do that too because it's breakfast. I wanted to be a little extra, so I'm piping a face for the cat. In a piping bag, I'm using ricotta cheese and a little bit of melted chocolate. You can't be friends if you don't like playing with your food like this. I also made some chocolate covered strawberries, and after piping on the chocolate letters, I used a golden luster dust to make it really pop. Cutest breakfast ever! Now it's time to serve it to hubby. Let me know in the comments if you make something cute like this too, or if you need help with making it. Okay, bye!